Hey guys, so today we're using the Kopach filter to replace our filter in our Craftsman. This filter works on all Craftsman vac, pretty much every vacuum made by Craftsman as long as it's 5 gallons or bigger, made from 1988 and newer. So that's a lot of vacuums that this filter works. Again, this is a Kopach replacement filter, and I'm gonna use it on my Craftsman shop vac. So here's the filter, simple filter. I think the top and bottom is the same. So let's go ahead and open up our shop vac. Now I've had this shop vac for like 7 years and I've never replaced the filter. It is disgusting. Nonetheless, here is a shop filter, and all we need to do is, you see the bottom right here, this screw right here. So we're gonna go ahead and undo this. Perfect. And then this part comes out. Oh man, that's nasty, disintegrated. Hang on, this filter is so old. It is disintegrating. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, the filter disintegrated. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. Look, the filter is so old. Oh, this is disgusting. Disgusting, disgusting. Wow, that filter is filthy, but it's done its job, right? It's done its job. So let me make sure we get the filter out. Right there. So, yeah, the bottom of the filter stuck to this ring here. Filthy, filthy, filthy filter. Yeah, we've had this thing for 7 years and we've never replaced the filter. Disgusting, right? Okay, I guess this part down here, we can clean it out, but we can use it as is too. So since our filter disintegrated, this is part of the old filter right here. So we're gonna take out this part as well. That's just garbage now. Our new Kopach filter is here. You're just gonna slide it on, just like that. Push this in nicely. On the top, we have our cap right here. Put the cap on. Go ahead and grab the nut that you took off earlier. Screw that in. And that should hold the filter in place. You don't need to tighten it too much, but just snug is good. Nice and snug, and there you have it. The filter's in place. Just go ahead and test your vacuum. If the suction is good, then you're done. If the suction is weak, just go ahead and make sure there are no leaks and everything is sealed properly on your filter installation. This is the Kopach filter. Works great on Craftsman vacs, 5 gallon plus from 1988 and newer, and that should cover pretty much any Craftsman vacuum out there. So there you have it. Install something like that. Go ahead and put back the vacuum. We'll plug it in. All right, just power up. Oh yeah, that was some really good suction. And that's it. Shop vac full of life again. These shop vacs are incredible, by the way. This is a Craftsman XPS 12 gallon 5.5 peak horsepower shop vac. We've had this thing for over 7 years. And again, that was the first time we replaced the filter, and just like that filter was plug and play. And now this shop vac is powerful again, just like new. This thing is incredible, and that filter was so easy to install. So yeah, get yourself a shop vac. These things are powerful. They're more powerful than any vacuum you have in your household. They're fantastic to use in the garage, in your shop, in the garden, anything you need to suck up, these things will take care of you. Again, that was a Craftsman shop vac. We replaced it with the Kopach replacement filter. What more can you ask for? Simple as that. Now the vacuum is good to go.